Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily show and hide the paper tray on your HP Smart Tank 580. So first what you guys want to do is, if you want to show the paper tray, then go over to the behind of the printer. Now pull it, just use one finger and pull it until it's like that. Then try and a little bit bend it backwards. Now as you guys can see, we got our paper tray, and if we want to close it, then the easiest way is to basically grab it with one finger and now push it down with the second one until it closes. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.